Wonderful and bright home in sought-after traditions. Spacious first-floor master suite, large master bath with 2 closets. Granite counters and stainless appliances are featured in each kitchen with bar and large dining area. Beautiful hardwoods on first floor and separate dining room. So much storage space with oversized closets, bedrooms, and walk-in attic. Large walk-up 4th bedroom with own full bath could easily be used as bonus or office. Covered back porch. Great Wake Forest location, convenient to shopping in Highway 98.